Hello, Mr. Tree. How are you doing today? Hello, Sam. I'm doing very well, thank you. I heard that all living things breathe to survive. I breathe in and out through my nose, but you don't have anything like a nose. How do you manage to survive? Good question, Sam. My leaves help me to breathe. My leaves have tiny pores called stomata, which open up for gas exchange. During the day, in the presence of sunlight, I take in carbon dioxide that helps me to cook my food. Oh, that's surprising. How do you get your grocery? My grocery to cook my food is carbon dioxide, sunlight, and water. Carbon dioxide, I get it through my pore, like nose, called stomata, and water through my roots. My cells contain tiny structures called chloroplasts that contain chlorophyll, carbon dioxide, and water. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, get converted into glucose and oxygen. I give out the oxygen through the stomata. Oh, thank you, Mr. Tree. This is how I have oxygen to breathe. And the glucose? The glucose nourishes me so that I survive. I store the extra glucose which is produced in the form of starch for later use. Your food cooking process is so impressive, Mr. Tree. It deserves to have a special name. Yes, Sam. I call it photosynthesis. Mr. Tree, it seems it's very important to have sunlight for the process of photosynthesis. Yes, Sam. Without sunlight, there will be no photosynthesis. I understand. And what happens at night, Mr. Tree? Do you still breathe? Yes, Sam. I breathe all the time, just like you do. At night, I use the oxygen to extract the energy I need from the food I have produced during the day. In this process, I give out carbon dioxide and water. Oh, you seem to be quite different at night, Mr. Tree. And what happens in winter? There is not a lot of sunshine in winter, either. But winter is quite longer than the night, isn't it? Yes, Sam. In winter, I cannot produce my food. That is why I need to organize my life so that I need less energy. And I let my leaves fall off me. But the chlorophyll goes to my trunk. Because I will need it in spring, when there will be no more sunlight, and my leaves will grow again. Nice talking to you, Mr. Tree. I got to know about stomata and photosynthesis. Thanks a lot for that. Pleasure is mine, Sam.